bonjour! Today I will teach you a different twist on my bechamel sauce, and that might help you to eat more vegetable or trick your child to eat his veggies. Shh! Don't tell there is kale in the sauce. Kale in the sauce? I will teach you this in a moment. So we can make the bechamel sauce with different color. Yellow, purple, green. So that might be enticing for your child. And it's just beautiful, isn't it? Look at those colors. All right, to start, let's start by making those zucchini pasta. Because it looks nicer with the color, it's best to peel the zucchini. You've seen me using my spiralizer before, so we'll use that again today. Put the zucchini in here, just see the best size to fit in. Here we go. And make your pasta. There is no faster way of making pasta. It's even something your child can help you with. And there we are, already done. We'll put them in a dish here. Now the next step, we'll do just a very quick recap on the bechamel sauce. You've done it with me before, so it's going to go super fast. What I will do is I will line up all the ingredients that I need in the order that I need. No lids on, all the lids have been taken out. And that way, you make your sauce much faster. So let's do that. All right. Ready, set, go. Okay, so we start with 120 grams of water. Sprouted beans, 70 grams. Onion, 30 grams. And 15 grams. Tahini is 11 grams. Lemon juice is 10. Garlic is 2. 5 of the nutritional yeast. 5 of the Dijon mustard, half of the salt, half of the rosemary, 1/8 of the nutmeg, 2 turns of the black pepper, half a teaspoon of the sea moss, and we blend. And it's ready. Okay, now the next step is you could make sauce ahead of time. Keep it in a container. You have it ready when you need it. You can warm it up in your blender. You can also warm it up on your stove if you like. But the less heat, the more nutrients. Now let's do the magic. We put our scale to 0. We need to take 200 grams. There, 200 grams. And now let's do the magic. So, I steam the vegetables a little bit. If your blender is strong like mine, you don't need to. But if it's not, it's a good idea to soften the vegetables first. Okay, in this recipe here, I will add, this is the carrots. So we're putting 40 grams of carrots. And why again am I using the grams? Because when you do it, you see how you like it. You see how your child likes it. Right? That's the key. That, you know, it will be enjoyed and eaten. So you can modify it. And then we blend. Perfect. And now I will take some of the pasta here. I will add some sauce and mix it. And depending how you like it, saucy, not so saucy, you add more or less. Let's start with this. Ready for the next sauce? Okay, let's do it. So now we add another 200 grams of sauce. And this time I'm adding the kale. Don't tell. Shh, don't tell. You see where I'm going with this, right? I'm using the color of the vegetable to make the color of the sauce. And then we blend again. And there we are. Look at this. Isn't it just beautiful? So we put again some pasta into our bowl, some sauce, mix it. See how fun that is? And they will never know that there was kale in there. But their body will love it so much. Kale is so good for our microbiome and our health. And for the green sauce, you can use the peel of zucchini, spinach. Spinach could work. So you could do spinach. See? And then you vary the vegetables, vary the color, vary the nutrients. I'll stop now. Let me tell you at the end more about it. Okay, so now we do the next sauce. And we add more sauce. So again, 200 grams. 200. And this time, to make the purple sauce, you guessed it, right? We will use beets. Of course we will use beets. And we do 40 grams again. There we go. And we blend. Look at this. I just love it. Look at the color. Look at this. It's so fun, isn't it? We play with food. Why not? And now we take some more of the noodles here. There we go. And some sauce. And cover the pasta with the sauce. And add it to our plate. Have a beautiful, colorful plate. Now, let me tell you. So as you know, the bechamel with the sprouted beans is excellent for the protein. So no worries about protein. And also to create satiety. So it's perfect for that. The zucchini, the carrots, the kale, and the beets are fiber. So are the beans, but even more fiber, which is excellent for our digestion. If you want to do weight management, it's excellent for that. It also keeps you fuller longer. It feeds your microbiome. And all of these all have in common the fact that they are antioxidant. They're good for your immunity. They are excellent for your skin and your eyes. And it's all low calorie. But they are complex carbs. So they feed you, they're nutrient dense. This is an absolute win all the way through. It's just excellent to eat this way. So enjoy your pasta, play with the color, use different vegetables, and let me know how it turns out. Oh, and leave a comment. Yes, please. Leave a comment, subscribe, share. And that helps me to make more videos. I really appreciate it. Love food that loves you back. See you next time.